Meaning of healthcare.
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 Healthcare. Healthcare refers to the maintenance and improvement of a person's physical, mental, and emotional well-being through the provision of medical services. It encompasses a broad range of activities, including the prevention, diagnosis, treatment, and management of illness and injuries. Healthcare services can be provided in various settings, such as hospitals, clinics, and private practices. The goal of healthcare is to promote good health, prevent disease, and improve the quality of life for individuals and communities. It is an essential component of any society and plays a vital role in ensuring the overall well-being of its citizens.